I'm Sian Gabidon. I'm a fashion designer, entrepreneur and model. And when I first entered the fashion industry at around about 21, I very quickly realised that selling a product actually meant selling a journey. It was about envisioning a lifestyle through an empowered set of beliefs to unify a community. It meant walking in my community's shoes and at times letting them walk in mine, sometimes quite literally. Outfts keeps my followers up to date. It showcases my vision the way that I want it to be seen. It allows the community to not only shop my brand, but also shop the outfits that I'm wearing in a variety of different retailers, creators, and prices. Outfts broadcasts my journey and keeps me connected with the key trends that are reshaping the fashion industry.
In 2020, retail transformed fast. An industry valued at over 248 billion euros in parts of the EU alone no longer had the stability of brick and mortar stores, but online markets were able to stay open.
Since then, newfound digital habits have seen a monumental rise of fashion platforms with explosive online traffic growth. At Outfts, we believe our hyper-social society is still looking for something more.
Outfts is a social marketplace where consumers can shop at all of their favourite retailers with the ability to see their products on real people in real situations. Outfts brings together the retailers, influencers and consumers needed for a unique value proposition.
Retailers can connect with an expansive audience in a competitive space. Influencers are empowered to generate new revenue streams and grow their community. And our consumers gain access to a huge collection of hyper-personalised products and outfits, perfect for a community of digital natives.
74% of consumers trust social networks to guide purchasing decisions. Consumers want to be taken on a journey before they commit to a product. So we allow our creators and retailers to tell the story, resulting in organic, trust-driven sales.
And more brands are understanding that the key gateway to this audience is through creator-driven marketing. Outfits is building a community and taking influencer marketing to the next level.
Outfts provides its users with a personalised, data-focused platform with AI and recommendation engines, which can supply accurate suggestions for clothing and outfits, which leads to increased product purchases.
Since starting, we have gained an amazing amount of traction, with over 350 influencer sign-ups and 55 retailer clients.
We already have the capacity to provide over 1 million SKUs, with the ability to import and update over 60,000 products a day. And this is only the beginning.
With this round of funding, we'll continue building on the success of our platform, expanding our team in key areas of focus like marketing and technology, developing a mobile application, and continue building innovative new features for our users.
In parallel, we'd like to increase our B2C market spend and accept contracts for large-scale influencer go-to-market campaigns.
With your investment, we'll continue to forge a new path for a community of creators, curators, and enthusiasts. Join our mission today
as we strive to revolutionise the future of fashion and retail.